We're very happy for our friends in North Texas getting some heavy rain right now.
They are. They're not too happy about the severe weather they're seeing up there. We're getting reports of some trees and some power lines down in the Azle area, not too far from Fort Worth. But, boy, those red areas there represent mainly very, very heavy rainfall, and they are happy about that. We would be a little happier if it was falling a little bit further down here our direction. Notice we're trying to see a little development down here in the area. I'm going to step right over here just a second and try to fix something here, and I think I got it. I think. We'll see. We would be happier if this was down here in our area. Let's take a look at the storm profiler, and on the profiler here locally we can see that, well, not much development yet. Few little specks of green here and there around the area right now. Some potential development this evening according to the computer models in our area, but so far it's all been back up to the northwest. Let's take a look outside in downtown Austin right now. As you can see, boy, none of those look like rain clouds, do they? Few little cumulus clouds here and there. 95 degrees is the current temperature. Our evening planning forecast dropping it slowly to maybe 85 by 10 p.m. And we'll be optimistic, put in a rain shower, possible thunderstorm development here this evening, just kind of going along with the computer models projections, but it's certainly not a sure thing where you are that you'll get rain this evening. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on Friday. More on that in a minute. Temperatures right now in the mid-90s. 99 degrees out in Llano right now. Very uncomfortable there. And you factor in the humidity, and it feels closer to 99 or 100 degrees even here in the metro area right now. 95 is the current temperature and partly cloudy at Camp Mabry, and 95 also out at the airport under a partly cloudy sky. Winds 7 to 9 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is 8:31. In the pollen count today, mold count 1,027, and that is high. On the temperature map around Texas, look at Laredo down there at 101. 91 degrees in Corpus Christi, 91 in Houston. Dallas with rain falling down to 70 degrees. Wouldn't that be nice? But it's 99 in Waco, so it shows you what a difference that rain-cooled air is having there in North Texas. And there you see it. In fact, if you look closely, you can even see the circulation here that's developed with this upper-level low. It's pretty much situated over Wichita Falls in southwest Oklahoma right now. It'd be better if it was situated down here into our part of the state. But now look what happens as we look at the upper-level wind chart here through tomorrow and the next day. That low does tend to move down this way. It weakens a bit as it does, and it's not a real organized area of low pressure. These shaded areas represent lift in the atmosphere, and that can help you with rain generation, especially combined with heating of the day. So we're hopeful that the next couple days we'll see some action down here. Our computer model's been optimistic by tonight that some of the action does develop down here into our central Texas area. Beginning to wonder if that's going to take place at all. Even if it does, watch how quickly it fades away overnight. By midnight, it's gone. Then tomorrow, we start off like we did today, mix of clouds and sun, but the computer models again in the heat of the day generate some showers and thunderstorms flaring up in our area, and then the repeating pattern takes place again on Friday with maybe less activity this direction. I know last night I showed you some rainfall totals, 1 to 3 inches in some areas. Tonight those projections look more like a 1/4 inch to maybe a 1/2 inch on average in our area over the next couple of days. So we're very disappointed about that because early June now is typically a wet period for us. June overall is almost as wet as the month of May, almost exactly the same in terms of average rainfall, about 4 1/3 to 4 1/2 inches in an average June. We're certainly hoping to get that this month, but this may not be the system that does it. Tonight, these are the low. You saw the lows tonight. These are the highs tomorrow, upper 80s to right around 90 or maybe just above. Tonight, a shower thunderstorm is possible, 73 the low. Tomorrow, it gets hot and humid, then maybe some afternoon showers, thunderstorms develop, about a 30% chance, we believe, for tomorrow. We're going to go with a 30% chance on Friday, too. By this weekend, that low should be completely out of here, and so we're going to take rain out of the forecast for the weekend. Partly cloudy, hot and humid, high temperatures in the mid-90s into next week. Our next small chance of rain is about a week from today.